baby squirrel. He's afraid to jump over the hosta. He's trying to get at me and Blue. Meanwhile, Blue the blue jay is hiding over here from him so I can throw the peanut right safely on the ground and he can jump down without the squirrel getting it. Blue and I have a system. The squirrel's too afraid. I see you, Blue. Don't worry, I'll throw another one. Garden fun. Friday with the animals and birds. I see you coming up. Yeah. Oh, that mockingbird is up there. Watch out. Look how pretty he is. Yeah, the squirrel left. You can come back to the tree now. Oh, look at the mockingbird. Actually, that's not a mockingbird. That is... Yes, it is. Yep. He doesn't like you. Is he jealous or what? And now Blue's back. What's up with the mockingbirds? You don't do anything. They chase everybody away. My yard, the birds can't get in because of that mockingbird and the babies. They're all over the place here. You and Cat, that's Cat singing. Cat sings non-stop, a catbird. Peace. Happy Friday.